Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen is too dark issue in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. If you're using Galaxy S23 FE and you're facing the issue that your screen's brightness is too dark or is too low, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So here you can see in my phone I have almost maximized the screen brightness, but it's still too low. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when you have accidentally enabled a setting with your phone. Now for this, you have to simply go ahead to your setting first. The very main thing is that you have to go to accessibility section, select accessibility, select region enhancement, and you might see the extra theme option from here. Select this, and you can see that its intensity is almost full. I'm gonna disable this from here, and once I have disabled, then you can see my phone's brightness as not too high. Now I have to decrease my brightness from here. So in this way you can fix the issue. But if your issue still persists, so you can try to go back to your settings app here, go to software update, and just try to make a software update from here. And once you update the software, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just try to restart your phone, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this icon again to have a restart with your phone. Once I restart it, your issue might have been fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so that's the only way, just go to settings here. In setting, go to general management, go to reset icon, select reset, and just select reset all settings. Now in case of reset all settings, your all phone setting will be set to default. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this, and once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.